My name is Tyler. I would consider myself a content creator. Been doing this for about 6 years. It's something I've always been really passionate about doing. I've made all sorts of types of videos, but I like to center everything around a challenge. Recently, I've been building a lot of stuff, and so it's always like, how can I create something that I've never created before, that I don't know how to do, and then figure it out, and then ultimately solve the problem that I aim to solve? The first thing I think I ever designed was for a video. Was making a burger into a cube, and I just made a square that was just extruded upwards with another little square that would go inside to press it down with a hydraulic press. I remember when I started on that, it seemed so overwhelming. I was like, how am I gonna even make this? Do I need to hire someone to make it? And now you could make it in 10 seconds. I think it's so funny to think back like that to kind of some of the things that I'm able to make today. I first discovered SolidWorks about a year ago, actually. I realized how important it was for design, or the understanding of design in being able to actually build anything. I think ultimately SolidWorks just kind of had everything that I needed. It was more accessible. You could work offline, work online. There's so many different tools, so it just kind of seemed like the right fit. I found it's easy with SolidWorks for makers. They've got everything. They've got a whole bunch of different like design applications, so it's kind of a one-stop shop. I think the Dr. Octopus suit was like really where I started to get really good at SolidWorks and kind of discovering all of the, not necessarily hidden, but like all of the other little features that they have that allow you to make designs 10 times faster, 10 times easier. The ability to just sculpt a shape of what you can imagine in your head is the quickest path ever from the ideation to the actual result of what you want. If you know how to create that model now becomes 90% of the whole project. The first video got over 30 million, and then I made a follow-up video about it that got over 30 million. People love the suit. I think it's something I'm very proud of, and I'm glad to see that people liked to kind of follow along and follow the journey. It's crazy because 4 months ago, I didn't even know how to use SolidWorks, and now I'm here in 3D Experience world. I've been making really cool things. I'm just so excited to see what I could create next.